10 mind-blowing features of iPhone 14 Pro. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 10 mind-blowing features of the all-new iPhone 14 Pro. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Incredible 120Hz ProMotion display. The iPhone 14 Pro comes with a stunning 120Hz ProMotion display, delivering buttery-smooth scrolling and an ultra-responsive touch experience. Advanced triple camera system. Prepare to be amazed by the iPhone 14 Pro's triple camera system. With enhanced low-light capabilities, telephoto lens, and improved AI-powered computational photography, capturing professional-grade photos and videos has never been easier. A15 Bionic chip. Powered by the incredibly fast A15 Bionic chip, the iPhone 14 Pro offers unmatched performance and efficiency. Experience lightning-fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and impressive gaming capabilities. Lidar scanner. The iPhone 14 Pro incorporates a lidar scanner, enabling advanced augmented reality experiences, improved depth mapping, and faster autofocus in low-light conditions. All-day battery life. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. The iPhone 14 Pro is equipped with a high-capacity battery that provides all-day usage on a single charge, keeping you connected throughout the day. Secure Face ID. The iPhone 14 Pro features an improved Face ID system with enhanced security and faster recognition speed. Your device unlocks effortlessly with just a glance. 5G connectivity. Experience the future of connectivity with the iPhone 14 Pro's 5G capabilities. Enjoy ultra-fast download and upload speeds, seamless streaming, and lag-free gaming. Ceramic shield protection. The iPhone 14 Pro's display is equipped with ceramic shield, providing industry-leading durability and 4 times better drop performance. Your phone stays protected even in the most accidental falls. Enhanced privacy features. Apple continues to prioritize user privacy. The iPhone 14 Pro introduces additional privacy features, including on-device Siri processing, improved app privacy reports, and enhanced data encryption. iOS 15. Last but not least, the iPhone 14 Pro runs on the latest iOS 15, bringing a host of new features, redesigned notifications, enhanced FaceTime capabilities, and improved focus modes to keep you productive and connected. And there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing features of the iPhone 14 Pro. Apple continues to push the boundaries of innovation, offering an unparalleled user experience. Let us know in the comments which feature impressed you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching.